Okay, so I graduated December 2016 from TWU, and I substituted right after that. In the summer, I got a call from Mr. Glancy, and I didn't think about it twice. I came down, and I mean, to this day, I'm blessed that he gave me that chance.
And he's a first-year teacher, didn't know the students at all, but quickly started developing those relationships. So he's there, early, and so he brings them in, starts tutoring them there. From the tutoring, it's kind of become that relationship thing to where they just want to talk to him about everything. Kids come before their first period. They want to come in the morning and say hello to Coach Bermudez. And at lunchtime, he opens his lunch. He has a conference period, but he opens his doors up. Kids come in there. Sometimes they come in there for help, but a lot of times they just come in and want to talk.
I think Mr. Bermudez is a wonderful teacher.
He understands us and realizes when we need help.
Like, just helping those kids that struggle, and eventually they finally get it. That is what inspired me to be a teacher. I wanted to help kids out and let them know, hey, yes, it's difficult, but together we can get through it. And then on their own, and then eventually, you know what? I did get it. Thank you so much. That feeling it's great.
And as he grew, you started seeing his students' scores grow. Now you see kids that are struggling in math. Their scores tell us that they're struggling, but they're starting to come up. But then you also see those high-achieving kids pushing to master's and advanced levels, which you normally don't see in a regular classroom. So he's differentiating his instruction for not only his lower students, but his higher students, which is something really is very, very rare in a new teacher.
Whatever they want to be in life, whatever their goal wants to be, their dream, they can do it. So they just need someone to let them know. Even though at home, I'm sure they talk about things like this, having a teacher to actually be like, no, I believe in you. Whatever people say, whatever people are doing, I believe in you.
As our young boys are starting to mature, they need strong male role models in the classroom because they see Mr. Bermudez up there. They want to emulate him, and so they're going to work harder in the class. And he's providing a great role model for my young men. That when he was approached about being a soccer coach at semester, one of his stipulations was, I can't lose my morning tutorial time. And that's what impressed me.
Soccer is my passion. I play it, I watch it, I coach it. I wanted that. So when they offered me that, knowing that it was just my first year, that made me believe that, they had trusted me and given the chance to coach those kids at the high school. And now coaching here at the middle school. I know I come in, I get here earlier than people, I leave later than people, but I wouldn't change it. Those kids are amazing.
He motivates us every day in the classroom and on the field.
I do want to give thanks to, again, the district, Mr. Glancy, for giving me the chance, for them opening the doors for me, for, we're going to give him a chance. Yes, it's his first time, but we'll see what he's got. I'm forever going to be thankful for that. I can't thank them enough. So, Mr. Glancy and the district, Gainesville ISD, thank you.